Go viral with AI. Do you dream of blowing up on TikTok but think it's just random luck? Nah, you need a strategy. And in this video, I'll teach you how to make TikToks that go viral by tapping into the power of AI. It only takes a few steps, so let's jump in. First things first, you need content ideas. Coming up with new content on the daily can feel draining. So let's start there. Head over to ChatGPT, the AI chatbot, and type, "Give me 10 TikTok content ideas about fitness that are trending in 2025. As a general rule, try to be specific when asking prompts. That way, you'll get better answers. So now we have all these awesome ideas tailored for our target audience. And if you don't have a niche, no worries. Just type, "What are some popular niches right now?" and ChatGPT will spit out a list. Then choose one that floats your boat and start brainstorming from there. So now you have your ideas. Time to create an engaging script. But wait, aren't TikToks supposed to be unscripted and super casual? Yep, they are. But having a rough game plan can help you stay on track and not waste precious time fumbling around. Plus, ChatGPT can nail the tone you want. So whether it's funny, motivational, educational, or aesthetic, ChatGPT can help you achieve it. So here's how I would ask it. Write a 30-second TikTok script about productivity hacks in a funny style. And boom, there you have it. An example script popping up. If you're feeling lazy, you can even press the text-to-speech button to narrate it for you. So basically, you have a full-on script which will save you tons of time when recording. Oh, and here's a pro tip. Make sure to download TikTok's Creative Center. It's totally free and gives you access to hot new soundtracks, challenges, and effects. Some creators say that using trending sounds helps their content get pushed out more. So why not make your life easier with AI? Now that you have your viral content ideas and scripts ready to roll, it's time to breathe some life into them with some cool edits. Now comes the fun part, editing. Here's where you transform your raw footage into a captivating TikTok masterpiece. But fear not, you don't need to be an editing guru or spend hours on it. AI editing tools can save the day. First up is CapCut AI. CapCut AI is like your personal assistant making your videos a breeze to create. We'll use it to auto-sync clips, add captions, and find trending sounds. It's easy peasy. Next, Pictory AI. It transforms scripts into short videos in seconds. It's great for those days when you're feeling extra lazy or need a second opinion. Finally, Runway AI. It removes backgrounds and adds cool cinematic effects with one click. These tools can level up your videos and make them look super professional without breaking a sweat. So let's give it a spin. Let's take this clip of someone working out. First, we'll use Runway to remove the background. This instantly makes the video look more cinematic. Next, we'll throw it into CapCut and see what it suggests. It auto-syncs the audio and finds trending music. Then we'll head over to Picture to see what it comes up with. It generates a video in seconds. We'll add it to our collection. And finally, we'll compare the results. The cool thing is, you can mix and match clips and AI suggestions to create something unique. So now you have a bunch of short clips, each one better than the last. Time to stitch them together to form one cohesive TikTok video. You can do this by exporting your clips using the download button. Then pop them into your favorite video editor and arrange them into a sequence. Pro tip, keep the energy high by adding quick cuts and transitions. Now's the time to insert those viral elements that will make your TikTok explode. People love captions. They make your content more engaging and accessible. Plus, viewers can read along while scrolling, which increases watch time. And guess what? AI can generate captions for you in seconds. Let's head back to CapCut. It has a built-in caption generator. Just click it and presto, it captions your entire video. You can even fine-tune them for accuracy. Now let's talk about music. Adding the right track can make or break your TikTok. CapCut has a massive library of songs and its AI sound suggestions are spot on. When uploading music, make sure it's copyright-free to avoid any issues down the road. Next, transitions. They keep viewers glued to their screens. Whether it's a seamless transition between two shots or a wacky one that keeps them guessing, AI has your back. CapCut offers tons of transition options, and you can even use your creativity to whip up your own. There you have it, a slick video that's ready to captivate your audience. You've successfully edited a short, and it didn't take you forever. AI editing tools really are a game changer. Now that your TikTok edit is looking fire, it's time to sprinkle on those viral elements to make it truly irresistible. First up, captions. They boost engagement and accessibility. And guess what? CapCut has a built-in caption generator. Just click it and you're good to go. Now let's pump up the volume with trending music. CapCut's AI sound suggestions are seriously on point. Simply click on sounds and explore the vast library. Just make sure the music is copyright-free. Pro tip, use trending music to increase your chances of going viral. Now, let's add some pizzazz with transitions. Keep your audience engaged and guessing what's next by using seamless and wacky transitions. CapCut's got you covered with tons of options. You can even get creative and make your own. Now it's time to polish your masterpiece. Double-check everything. Is the pacing on point? Are the graphics on fleek? Does the music blend seamlessly? These final touches will make all the difference. And before you hit publish, don't forget to schedule it using AI scheduling tools like Metricool or Later. This way you won't have to remember to post at the perfect time every single day. And you can even ask ChatGPT for the best hashtags in your niche to maximize reach. Now that your TikTok is all set, it's time to hit publish and watch those views, likes, and followers pour in. Remember, consistency is key, so keep creating, posting, and engaging with your audience. Who knows? You might just be the next big thing on TikTok. Creating viral TikToks doesn't have to be a hit or miss. By combining viral content ideas, engaging scripts, AI editing tools, and a sprinkle of viral magic, you can craft TikToks that hook viewers from the first frame. So don't wait. Start your AI TikTok journey today. And remember, you don't need to be a tech wizard to make it happen. Stay tuned for more AI side hustle tutorials. And if you're feeling inspired, drop a like, subscribe, and leave a comment below which AI tool you want us to cover next. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy TikToking.